नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया. Today's topic is trans TENS trans electrical nerve stimulation. PPT 4 SEM electrotherapy IJVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain FPD department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. It is the electrotherapeutic modality used for the nerve stimulation. Transcutaneous is equal to through skin. Nerve stimulation current have sufficient intensity to depolarize sensory motor pain nerve. Type of wave current: symmetrical biphasic, asymmetrical biphasic or monophasic wave form. Stimulation parameter of TENS: three type of current. Accurate description in terms of TENS is difficult. They are modified direct current, pulse current, direct current, and unidirectional current flow continuously in one direction, alternate current, bidirectional current flow continuously, pulse current. It is one in the which the unidirectional or bidirectional flow current periodically over time. It's more accurate to describe TENS as a pulse current and not AC or DC. Waveform Waveform of current simply refer to its shape as seen on graph of amplitude versus time. Monophasic waveform: current flow in only in one direction, one electrode as an anode, other electrode as a cathode. Biphasic waveform: current flow in both directions, each electrode as a cathode at some part of waveform. Symmetrical waveform: first phase of waveform is mirror image of second waveform, but opposite direction. Each electrode act as an active electrode. During alternate phase, it prevents electrochemical effect due to excessive polarity. Asymmetrical waveform: two phases which are not equal in size, different in magnitude as well as duration. Difference in equality, slight basis in positive side. That's why one phase it's able to depolarize, act as a monophasic waveform. TENS waveform have zero net DC, means equal amount of charge under the positive as well as negative portion of waveform. Prevent chemical skin irritation, and a direct current can potentially cause skin irritation due to build up of charge under the electrode. Waveform selection: rectangular, triangular, sine wave और spike wave. स्पाइक वेव क्या होती है? मोर इरिटेटिंग टू स्किन, रिक्वायर्ड फ्रीक्वेंट मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड, शॉर्टर ट्रीटमेंट टाइम टू अवॉइड स्किन इरिटेशन, acute pain or resistant tissue, immediate temporary relief for intense or hyper irritating stimulation. Square, rectangular or sine wave: longer duration waveform for some nerve damage associated with pain pathology, less skin irritation, long lasting effect for chronic pain patient. Frequency means number of pulse delivered per second. Time dependent characteristic: frequency is equal to 1 upon period. A period is the time elapsed between a specific point of the waveform of the pulse to the identical point on the next pulse. For AC current, time to complete one cycle. For pulse current, for alternative current, for acute case high frequency, for chronic case low frequency. Pulse width or duration: time depend characteristic in microsecond. Confusion is there regarding to the pulse duration. Some text either positive or negative, some text refer both. Most texts refer to duration of only positive component of the waveform. It is length of time that current actually act on the patient during each pulse. In normal neuromuscular symptom, 100 to 150. In neurologic damage, wider with 200 to 300. Amplitude or intensity means a magnitude or current or voltage applied by the unit measure in millimeter or volt. Current is due to electrode movement. Volt is the driving force required for current to pass in body. So its level of current required to depolarize the nerve member. Ohm's law is equal to V equal to IR. Low amplitude, brief intense amplitude. Times 1 to 100 millimeter based on sensation rather than reading. Constant current, constant voltage. Modulation, frequency modulation, pulse width modulation, amplitude modulation cause discomfort, prevent the accommodation tendency with make treatment ineffective. Type of TENS or mode: high frequency, low frequency, low intensity TENS, conventional, low frequency, high intensity TENS, acupuncture TENS, brief intense TENS, burst intense TENS, modulated TENS. High frequency, low intensity TENS. हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी 40 to 150 हर्ट्ज होती है. शॉर्ट पल्स ड्यूरेशन 50 to 80 50 माइक्रो सेकेंड. कॉमन. Gradually increase the intensity, neither painful nor elicit muscle contraction. Mechanism of action: stimulate large low threshold A beta fiber, cause pain relief via pain gate mechanism at substantia glandinosa, decrease the neural activity by affecting dorsal horn neuron activity. Dose. Method of self treatment: duration varies 30 to 60 minimum once per twice a day. The continues for a minimum 8 hours per day to even full 24 hours. Indication of therapeutic use: acute soft tissue injury, pain associated with musculoskeletal disorder, post-operative pain, inflammatory condition, myofascial pain. Low frequency, high intensity TENS, low 1 to 5 Hz, long pulse duration in 2000 microsecond. High intensity up to 30 millimeter or up to patient can tolerate to provide visible muscle contraction. Mechanism of action: stimulate high threshold A, gamma and C fiber. Release of endogenous opiate, reduce pain at spinal level. Stimulate pituitary gland, help to release beta endorphin, block the receptor site of A delta and C fiber, block the transmission of pain. Additional muscles contraction give sensory information through muscle spindle. Electrode placement for muscle contraction over acupuncture point, motor point of muscles, myotome related painful area. Patient will experience per aesthesia twitching type muscle contraction. Dosage: once per day up to 20 to 30 minutes or at time up 20 up 45 minutes. Acute relief of pain may not be experienced but relief may be last long. Therapeutic use: long standing deep achy pain, myofascial pain, muscle spasm. Brief intense tense, high frequency 100 to 150 Hz, long pulse duration 150 to 250 US, highest tolerate high tolerate intensity no longer than 15 minutes at a time. Mechanism of action: pain relief is due to activation of activity in brainstem that dampened on amplify pain impulse. Amplification protocol is referred to noxious level tense. During the passage through the brain, short circuit occur, stimulate the release of endogenous opioid in the nuclei. Descending pain suppression system activated, loop efferent impulse down the spinal cord. Opiate inhibit the release of substance P and A, neurotransmitter of noxious impulse. High level analgesia is achieved through this but transitory. Therapeutic tense: local painful condition, painful procedure and skin debridement, suture removal. Brush tense: provide packaging of several stimuli in group, presented in bursts of energy sensation by the patient as a single stimulator. High frequencies 40 to 150 Hz in a high intensity short pulse. High frequency train of pulse delivered at low frequency, combination of conventional and acupuncture tense mechanism of pain relief by both method. Modulated pulse length, frequency, amplitude can be constantly automatically changed. Provide three of parameter changes in cyclic fashion. Prevent adaptation appropriate of conventional tense used for longer period. Modulated output is more comfortable to the patient. Wave train. Some manufacture wave design a series of modulation burst and standard modes in a pre-programmed flow in a form of wave trends. Advantage of TENS: non-invasive device, portable, user-friendly, can be used by patient at home, non-additive. Disadvantage of TENS: tolerate of sensation of ES, skin irritation due to allergic reaction with conductive medium, thermal burst due to chemical reaction of high current and density. TENS or prolonged stimulation cause muscle spasm or muscle soreness. Narcotics decrease the effect of TENS. Physiological effect: pain control, blood circulation, pain control, decrease transmission of noxious impulse to CNS by affecting conductivity of small fibers, affecting the large motor fiber, interfering normal guarding pattern of muscles spasm, blood circulation. Cutaneous vasodilation due to sensory nerve stimulation, axon reflex, subsequent release of histamine, monophagic pulse, alter cellular growth or activity, improve healing. Indication: chronic pain, acute chronic pain of osteogenic, myogenic, neurogenic origin, post surgical pain, reduce of post traumatic acute pain. Application of TENS: large main operated, small battery operated or pocket model. Electrode design depend on anatomical location, duration of treatment, clinical or home treatment, sensitivity of patient, skin irritation, different size and shape. Small electrode for motor point, more density. Large electrode for large muscle stimulation. Age of rectangular or square electrode cause electrical field concentration, current density or hotspot. Long, long rectangular electrode for post operatively incision pain. Disposable electrode cut down according to anatomical position. Electrode placement, site of pain over great tenderness. Dermatome and myotome along with long axis, trigger point, acupuncture point, motor point, peripheral nerve along the nerve where it is superficial. Method of electrode placement: direct placement, continuous placement, placement of stimulus point, dermatome placement, spinal root placement or contralateral placement. Direct placement: the electrode over the skin on or around painful site. Each channel run parallel to each other. Contiguous placement: when direct placement is contraindicated, post-operative incision laceration. Electrode near to vicinity of pain. Current will run parallel to each other or cross each other. Stimulation point replacement: motor point, acupuncture point, trigger point, sensitive or to stimulation. In many conditions, they are located closely. Single tense electrode stimulate all point. Trigger point: sensitive area in muscle or connective tissue fascia that become painful when compressed. Hyperirritable spot associated within a taut band of skeletal muscles. Compression of trigger point can cause radiating pain and also it is point from which pain radiate throughout the muscle fascia cause myofascial pain syndrome. Dermatome placement: situation in which Pain is distributed according to dermatome wise. Electrode placement is on affected and contralateral side. Other techniques involve putting one electrode at the corresponding spinal and nerve root and other distal end of dermatome. Spinal root placement of electrode parallel to spinal column between the transfer process, stimulate the spinal root associated with the pain. Contralateral placement of electrode on the opposite side of the body, approximately location from which the pain is rising from injured side. Theory of bilateral transfer: sensory impulse of one side of body got confused with noxious impulse of opposite side because of crossing of nerve tracks in spinal cord. Thank you.